Your brain works like a muscle. The more you challenge it, the stronger and faster it becomes. But here's the interesting part. You don't need hours of studying to improve your brain. Just a few minutes of the right exercises can boost your focus, memory, and thinking speed. Today, we're going to test 4 simple brain exercises together. And the best part? You can try them right now while watching this video. Let's start. This first exercise trains your focus and visual speed. You'll see numbers from 1 to 25 placed randomly. Your goal is simple. Find the numbers in order as fast as possible. Start with 1, then 2, then 3, all the way to 25. Try to finish in under 30 seconds. Most people take longer on their first try, but with practice, your brain gets faster at scanning information. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Time's up. How fast did you finish? Write your result like this. Exercise 1, 0:39 seconds. Now let's try something different. This exercise improves memory and body awareness. Close your eyes. Then try one simple task. Write your name, type on your phone, or draw a circle. Do it without looking. At first, it will feel strange, but when you remove vision, your brain is forced to rely on memory and spatial awareness. This builds stronger neural connections. Ready? Close your eyes. 3, 2, 1, go. Done? Open your eyes. Was it messy? That's normal. Write in the comments, exercise 2, done, or exercise 2, messy but done. Now let's challenge your brain even more. Use your non-dominant hand. If you're right-handed, use your left. If you're left-handed, use your right. Try something simple. Write a word, open an app, or tap the like button. It will feel awkward, but that difficulty is exactly what strengthens your brain. When you use your opposite hand, both sides of your brain work together. This creates new neural pathways. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Done? Write your result. If it felt hard, that's a good sign. The last exercise tests your mental control. You'll see color words written in different colors. Your task is to say the color, not the word. For example, if the word red is written in blue, the answer is blue. Your brain wants to read the word, but you must override that impulse. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. How did you do? Write in the comments, exercise 4, blank correct. Today you tested 4 powerful brain exercises: Schulte tables for focus, blind tasks for memory, non-dominant hand for coordination, and the Stroop challenge for mental control. You don't need to do all of them, just pick one and practice for a few minutes a day. Small challenges like these can make a big difference over time. Now I want to see your results. Let's see who has the strongest brain.